am supreme, the sum of all things, biggest creator, king of all kings. And that is what I want to be and claim to be, for it is what I am and it's what I perceive. Because power without perception means not a thing. And as we all know, perception is reality. But to those who are truly enlightened, things aren't always what they seem. And it's only a conviction that is truth throughout times changing. So I'ma say it once again with conviction, I am supreme. And one day all will know, cause with the same conviction, it will be screamed.
Supreme being damaging teams, letting off steam, blasting motherfuckers out their clothing scene. Fucking with me, not in your well-being, and that's guaranteed. Cause I'm moving faster than your blink, and my forces are force of fuck like a space bullet at ludicrous speed. And the powers I possess are through the mind, body, soul, being and sing. And I'm on the brink, a straight blacking out. I'm smashing niggas' faces and I'm pushing those bones into brains and laying niggas out. Cause I see the simple truth of life and move on, cause that's what I'm about. So all you wanna do is fucking scream and shout. I'm yelling, fuck you, you can't be serious. Ain't chiefly sitting for the bullshit no more and go another route. Cause niggas please, you ain't facing me with your pitiful attempts at taking me out. I lay my life down before anybody, so you better be prepared to die and facing me, cause I'm going all out. And I'm snatching niggas' souls and dumping them in the bottomless pit, where the devils are gonna dwell at the end of time for the thighs of your bit. I am God, kid, recognize, bitch, supreme being, motherfucker, do the knowledge or will split your way. Cause it's off with your head when I'm seeing red. Leave you lifeless and dead, then go and break bread, so I can live and move on. Instead of succumbing to the evils of greed, but it's an eye for an eye if you fuck with me. I'm the tyranny of evil men, try to be the shepherd and live righteously. So can't you see, I'm above everything fucking naturally. Cause I'm a beast, completely full of savagery, and my soul's not at ease, plus die for peace. But there will never be peace till I'm claimed the supreme being. Cause I'm a beast, completely full of savagery, and my soul's not at ease, plus die for peace. But there will never be peace till I'm claimed the supreme being. I'm hellbound, you getting beat down for being a clown. Cause the force that I create is like an earthquake that shakes the fucking ground. And I fold any challenger that comes to fuck around. Cause even if I get knocked down, I'm getting up again for another damn round. And just break your frame up and toss you in a ditch underground. And even if I have to clap around, it'll just be an easier way to get rid of all you bastards around. Cause I got too much strength, too much heart, too much spirit to just be a loser now. There's been so many times I've been broken down, but now I stand before you as a man and ready to be a player in any fucking town. So fuck the whole world if you don't know by now. Cause if you can't keep up, you can just eat my dust when I move like Superman and leaps and bounds. Cause I'm a beast, completely full of savagery, and my soul's not at ease, plus die for peace. Cause they will never be pleased till I claim the supreme being. Cause I'm a beast, completely full of savagery, and my soul's not at ease, plus die for peace. But they will never be pleased till I claim the supreme being. Bitches head for the hills, cause I'm a natural disaster. I twist you up like a tornado, blow you away for disrespectful chitter chatter. And niggas, I'm crazy, and I'm better than any motherfucker you ever seen. Blast you out your physical being, don't give a fuck about how many niggas on your team. I just killed the all, like Ultraviolet did on that movie scene. Cause I love to bring pain and leave bloodstains all over things. And to be a beast is my nature, but I'll just call that the wrath of God. So believe me, and it's like I said before, I destroy everything fucking naturally.